are 5 cars you should never buy as a second owner after 70,000 to 100,000 miles. Number 1, 2011 to 2016, BMW 550i with N63 V8 engine. This engine drinks oil like it's protein shake. You start it. Smoke comes out like it just hit a vape. Timing chain slapping around like it's in a mosh pit. Oil leaks like a leaky jug. Coolant disappearing like it got a side mission. You fix one thing, boom. Injectors say we are here too. This ain't a car. It's a high-maintenance influencer that needs attention 24/7. You open the hood more than you open the door. Number 2, 2009 to 2016, Audi A4 2.0T. This Audi be sipping oil like it's creatine. You top it off, it burps and asks for more. Timing tensioner acting like it don't care about your future. Carbon builds up in the valves like plaque on teeth that never seen a toothbrush. Water pump leaking like it gossiping. Pretty exterior. Chaotic interior. Audi really said luxury with surprise edition. Number 3, 2012 to 2016 Ford Focus with powershift transmission. That transmission jerks, slips, hesitates, and acts up at red lights. Ford called it powershift. Bro, it's power struggle. Feels like 2 interns arguing over which gear to pick. Car be jerking like it just saw its ex at the intersection. Try to drive smooth? Nah, it bucks like a rodeo bull on caffeine. You ain't driving, you surviving. Number 4, 2012 to 2017 Range Rover Evoque. This car looks rich, but acts expensive. Timing chain ticking like it's counting down your bank account. Turbo leaking, coolant system weak like a bad excuse. Dashboard lights up like firework. You fix one problem, another one clocks in like a 9 to 5. This ain't a car, it's a group project of problems. Number 5, 2013 to 2018 Nissan Altima. Transmission moves like it lost confidence. You press the gas, it responds like it read the message late. Smooth driving? Gone. Now it's just movement. Feels like the car asking you, "You sure?" every time you accelerate. This ain't lag. This is hesitation with history. All 5 of these cars out here pretending to be good deals, like your broke cousin trying to borrow your tools. They got the looks, but under the hood, sure drama. Trust me, if you follow me, you'll never be stuck on the side of the highway.